Hello guys, today we will learn laws of indices. Let's learn first law. If m and n are integers, then a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. Why? Here a is base. If base is same, then we can add indices. For example, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5, this will become 2 raised to 3 plus 5, that is 2 raised to 8. हमेशा याद रखें, अगर बेस सेम है and if we are multiplying, then we can add its indices. Second law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. We can write this as a raised to m divided by a raised to n equals to a raised to m into a raised to minus n. We are taking this in the numerator. Now we can use this first law of indices, which says to add the indices, that is a raised to m plus another indices, that is minus n here. Therefore a raised to m minus n. Example, 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 2, this will become 2 raised to 5 minus 2, that is 2 raised to 3. Next law, a into b raised to m is equals to a raised to m into b raised to m. I will explain this with the help of one example. 2 into 3 raised to 3 equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Remember, here we will not use first law of indices. Why? Because here base is different. Here a is 2 and b is 3. Next rule, a raised to 0 is equals to 1. Always remember, anything raised to 0 is always 1. If 2 raised to 0, then answer will be 1. 100 raised to 0, answer will be 1. Let's see next law. A raised to minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to m. हम a raised to minus m को कैसा लिख सकते हैं? 1 divided by a raised to m. अगर हमें a raised to m को न्यूमरेटर में लिखना है तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 into a raised to minus m equals to a raised to minus m. क्योंकि हम 1 को किसी भी चीज़ से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, I mean any number, then answer will be same. Therefore we can write a raised to minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to m. A raised to m whole brackets raised to m is equals to a raised to m n. For example, 2 raised to 3 whole bracket raised to 2. How we will write this? 2 raised to 3 into 2. Answer will be 2 raised to 3 into 2. Therefore it is equals to 2 raised to 3 2s are 6. If any example is present in this form, a raised to m and bracket raised to any number, then we will multiply both the indices. Next law, a divided by b bracket raised to m is equals to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. यहाँ पे हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेके सॉल्व करते हैं. 2 by 3 raised to 3 equals to 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3. Next law of indices, a divided by b bracket raised to minus m is equals to b divided by a bracket raised to m. इसे हम कैसे फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? 1 divided by a divided by b brackets raised to m. Now this b is in denominator, therefore we will send this here. We can write it as b divided by a raised to m. Hence proved the laws of indices. Let's solve few examples. 4 raised to 5 into 4 raised to 2. This will be 4 raised to 5 plus 2, that is 7. 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9. How we will write this? 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9 is equals to 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to minus 9. Therefore, 3 raised to 7 minus 9 will be minus 2. Third example, 3 raised to 4 and bracket raised to 5 is equals to 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 5. Answer is 3 raised to 20. 5 raised to minus 3. How we can write this? 1 divided by 5 raised to 3. Fifth example, 5 raised to 0. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, any number raised to 0 is 1. Sixth example, 5 raised to 1 is equals to 5, because if any number has their indices 1, then answer will be the same number. That is 5 raised to 1 is equals to 5, or 100 raised to 1 is equals to 100. Seventh example, 5 into 7 bracket raised to 2 is equals to 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2. Eighth example, 5 divided by 7 raised to 3 equals to 5 raised to 3 divided by 7 raised to 3. Ninth example, 5 divided by 7 raised to minus 3. How we can write this? 1 divided by 5 divided by 7 raised to 3, and now we will move this 7 to numerator. Therefore, 7 divided by 5 raised to 3. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.